major flood control operation to protect communities.
Damaged school facilities raise concerns among students and teachers.
SunWest Company completes box culvert installation as flood control project progresses.
Landslide at roadside in Mungsok raises safety concern for motorists.
Students and teachers trek 20 to 30 minutes from Pierre to school.
Rice fields and Mangkaw farmers work hard for valley survival.
Breaking Point. I am Kenneth Bagasul, here to bring you the latest news.
I am Shaira Buaral. We will keep you updated on the important stories today.
I'm Janmika De Los Reyes. Stay with us for more news. Only here on Breaking Point.
A major flood control operation is currently underway along the Mosuk River as SunWest Company takes action to address the growing concerns over flooding in the area. This project aims to prevent further damage to communities and improve water flow. For more details, we go live to our field reporter, Cheya, who is on site. Cheya, what's the latest update?
Thank you, Shaira. I'm here among Sock River, where heavy equipment and workers have been actively reinforcing riverbanks and installing flood control structures since early this morning. According to officials, this flood control project by SunWest Company is a crucial step in preventing a severe flooding, especially during the rainy season. The operation included the river building, embankments, and reinforcing drainage systems. Earlier, I spoke with Felix Sarsa from SunWest Company, who explained the importance of this initiative. Hear what they had to say. Ano pong posibleng budget na ginamit sa proyektong ano?
Sunwest ko ang nagkontrata kami ano lang gud sa dahil may aram ka ng budget kong pira
Kaya na proyekto.
para ang mga balay di maanuhan tibaha
Ano po ang itinagayin kang proyektong para sa mga tao?
para ang mga harong ninda di abot na tibahaan tiro na di mapagayon lamang an sa loob.
Meanwhile, local residents have mixed reactions. Some are relieved that flood control measures are being put in place, while others are concerned about possible environmental effects and relocation issues. That's the latest update from here at Musok River. Back to you, Shaira.
Thank you, Cheya. We will keep monitoring the progress of this flood control project and provide further updates as new developments arise.
Breaking Point, bringing you the latest news from Mangkaw High School. A growing concern has been emerged as part of the school facilities has been reported to be in poor conditions. With classrooms and other structures showing visible damage, students and teachers are facing challenge in maintaining a safe and conducive learning environment. For more details, we turn to our field reporter, Ines, who is on site.
Standing in front of one of the damaged school buildings, where visible cracks, broken windows, and leaking roofs have raised serious concern among student and faculty members. The deteriorating state of the SAM's classroom has made it difficult for students to focus on their studies, especially during heavy rains when lakes disrupt lessons. Some areas have been marked as unsafe, with the teachers and students forced to make adjustments to ensure safety while continuing their daily activities. School officials have acknowledged the issues and worked on possible solutions. They are seeking assistance from the local government education department to fund necessary repairs and innovation. Until then, students and staff are advised to exercise caution and avoid areas to pose safety risks. Back to you, Ken.
Thank you, Eunice. The safety and well-being of students should always be a priority, and we hope that immediate action will be taken to address this concern. We will continue to monitor this situation and provide updates as they come.
West Company has officially installed the box culvert, a key component in the flood control system aimed at improving drainage and preventing water overflow. Additionally, heavy equipment from SunWest Company has now arrived on site to support further construction. For details, we go live to our field reporter, Mark Lawrence, who is on the ground. Mark Lawrence, what's the latest update?
Thank you, Sarah. I'm here at Amuco, where the installation of the back culvert has just been complete. This structure is expected to significantly improve workflow and reduce its risks of flooding in healthy areas. Rin po nagbuon ang proyektong SunWest.
Sa ano pa niya, 2022.
Anong posibleng budget na ginamit sa proyektong
SunWest. Ini dahil kung ano ka lang, proyekto kaya para maging mga tao tayo baba pa na PRBDD kaya tinagal di Baskelberg.
ano sa pong proyekto ang padagos mundo at tapos na pagkaga yung Baskelberg.
Pad control sabi para dahil magparabaha dito sa lugar na yun.
Right now, SunWest Company earth equipment including elevator, dump truck, and loader is station 8 ready to continue work on the flood control. The arrival of SunWest Company equipment in the location of the box culvert. Shall say the next phase of the project will be road improvement. That project is expected to continue until 2026. That's the next from here and also reverse back to you, Naira.
Mark Lawrence, this flood control project marks a significant step in ensuring the safety and protection of residents in the area. We will continue to monitor its progress and bring you more updates as they unfold.
Mama, take a two. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Rico, Coffee ko Blanca. Delicious ba? Hindi lang yan. Creamy! Hindi lang yan. Ito pa, gentle din sa tummy. Sweets na, Coffee ko Blanca. Creamy, gentle din sa tummy.
National segments will bring you a glimpse of incredible daily journey faced by some of our students and teachers. Every day, they travel a 20 to 30 minutes from Pierre, where the boat drops them out all the way to the school. Reporter Maria Santos is on the ground to take us through this route. Rhea, over to you.
Thank you, Kenneth. As the sun rises and arrive, I uniquely challenge to both students and teachers here in Mancao High School. They face about 30 to 20 minutes to walk to their destination in the school. This daily trek is part of the routine no matter the weather, and it has become more than just a walk. It's part of their school life and a conversation starter among time, and I had a chance to speak with some of them earlier today to get their perspectively. I'm here with one of our senior high students, Citronella. How do you feel about walking from here to school?
At first, I thought it was a hassle, especially when it rains or it's too hot. But now I think of it as a time to bond with my friends. We talk about everything, from schoolwork to just funny things that happen in the neighborhood. It's a bit tiring, but it's helped me wake up before classes start. Thank you.
It's a clear that walks can sometimes be a challenging. It's also time for reflections and connections for the students and teachers. Despite the heat and rain or busy schedule, this journey is an integral part of the school day. Thank you.
Thank you, Rhea. It's inspiring to see how our students and teachers make the best of our daily work, turning it into a time for bonding, reflection, and preparation. We commend them for their dedication and resilience. Stay tuned for more updates after the break.
Breaking news coming from Mugso, where a massive landslide has struck, causing significant damage and concern among residents. For more on this developing story, we go live in our reporter Jessa, who is the ground and the scene. Jessa, what can you tell us?
Mika, I'm here at Mugsok, where a landslide occurred earlier caused of heavy rainfall. Behind me, you can see the extent destruction of the road taking place. Some people and vehicles are affected because of the roads, where it has an impact of the landslide because they can cause an accident. Back to you, Mika.
Thank you, Jessa. Our thoughts are with those affected by landslide. We will continue to bring the latest updates as this story develops. Stay tuned to Breaking Point for more information. You're watching Chika Minute today, bringing you the latest updates on agriculture and farming.
I'm Lujin, reporting from Macau, where local farmers are tirelessly working in the rice fields to sustain their daily needs. Unlike large-scale rice farms, the fields here are not for commercial production but are essential for the livelihood of many families. Every grain harvested helps put food on the table and support their basic needs. That's the latest here on golden harvest in news. Back to you, Mika. In Macau, rely heavily on natural rainfall and traditional farming methods. While they face challenges like unpredictable weather and rising costs of farming supplies, their dedication remains strong. Some hope of additional support, just as better regulation and subsidies to make farming more sustainable. Despite this struggle, the hardworking farmers of Macau continue to persevere, ensuring that their families have enough rice to eat. Their resilience is a true testament to the spirit of the Filipino farmers. That's the latest here on Golden Harvest News. Back to you, Mika.
Thank you, Lojin.
Rico, Coffee ko Blanca. Delicious ba? Hindi lang yan. Creamy! Hindi lang yan. Ito pa, gentle din sa tummy. Sweet snack, Coffee ko Blanca. Creamy, gentle din sa tummy.
Today we're bringing you a feature on Rapu-Rapu Mugso, a tranquil, secluded spot in a mountain that's perfect for those looking to escape the noise of the city. Let's take a closer look at why this hidden gem is gaining attention as a new adventure destination.
Thank you, Mika. I'm here at Mugsok, Asirin, expensive area surrounded by nature beauty. Truth, it's not widely known, the location offers a perfect escape for those seeking peace and adventure. Whether you're into hiking, camping, or simply relaxing, this quiet mountain retreat a great place to unwind. The area is isolated, providing a sense of privacy and tranquility. It's not crowded, which makes it ideal for families, friends, and solo travelers who want to connect with the nature. Visitors just need to bring their camp prepared with their own supplies, as the area is not heavily commercialized, with the we take a view a natural landscape. Bugsok is an undiscovered paradise waiting for exploring. If you love outdoor adventure or just want to peaceful getaway, this place might just to be one you need. Hello,
Hi.
pwede ba kayong matanong?
Sure.
Ano naman masasabi ninyo dito sa lugar?
Magandang tanawin, nakakatanggal stress. At kung kailangan mo ng peace of mind, pumunta ka lang dito.
Ilan naman ang oras ang ginugol nyo para umakyat dito sa bundok?
Around 30 minutes, naglakad papunta dito.
Sulit naman ba ang pagpunta dito?
Sulit na sulit dahil sa pumunta ko na
Meron ba kayong dalang mga sarili nyong pagkain, inumin?
meron, marami.
Ano naman balak ninyo ditong gawin sa bundok?
Take lang ng picture, then uwi na agad.
Maraming salamat sa
Thanks Archie, Rapu-Rapu Mugsok may be hidden gem, but its untouched beauty and peaceful atmosphere make it a destination worth visiting. If you're seeking a quiet escape, this could be your next adventure.